Did you know that chronic sleep deprivation can shorten your lifespan? Insomnia doesn't just leave you feeling groggy. It disrupts your body's essential functions, increasing the risk of heart disease, diabetes, and even Alzheimer's. Every night you struggle to fall asleep, your brain and body pay the price. But what if the solution is simpler than you think? In this video, we'll reveal 5 scientifically proven drinks that can help you sleep better and beat insomnia for good. Stay with me until the end because the last drink has surprising benefits you won't want to miss. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more life-changing health insights. Let's get started. Number 1. Warm cow's or goat's milk. Drinking a warm glass of cow's or goat's milk before bed is more than just a comforting childhood memory. It's a science-backed sleep aid with numerous health benefits. Milk is rich in tryptophan, an amino acid that helps produce serotonin and melatonin, 2 crucial hormones for regulating sleep. Serotonin improves mood and helps the brain relax, while melatonin signals the body that it's time to sleep. Research published in the Journal of Sleep Research found that individuals who consumed warm milk before bed reported improved sleep quality and shorter sleep onset times. The warmth of the milk also has a soothing effect on the nervous system, promoting physical relaxation. Goat's milk, in particular, contains higher levels of tryptophan and is easier to digest for those with mild lactose intolerance due to its lower lactose content and smaller fat globules, which aid digestion. Additionally, milk provides calcium, which helps the brain use tryptophan effectively. To get the best results, drink it 30 to 60 minutes before bedtime and let its natural calming effect guide you into a restful sleep. This simple habit can make a noticeable difference in how easily you drift off and the quality of your sleep throughout the night. Number 2. Peppermint tea. Peppermint tea is well known for its digestive benefits, but did you know it can also help you sleep better? While peppermint itself doesn't induce sleep directly, it has powerful muscle-relaxing properties that can ease tension and reduce anxiety, 2 common sleep disruptors. The menthol found in peppermint has a natural calming effect on the nervous system, helping the body transition into a state of relaxation. A study published in the Phytomedicine Journal revealed that peppermint's menthol content significantly calms the nervous system, making it easier to unwind after a long day. Peppermint tea can also alleviate headaches and sinus congestion, which can interfere with restful sleep. Plus, if indigestion or bloating tends to keep you awake, peppermint tea can soothe your stomach and promote overall relaxation. This makes it an excellent nighttime remedy for those who experience discomfort after meals. Just make sure to choose a caffeine-free variety to avoid any stimulating effects. Drinking peppermint tea 30 to 45 minutes before bedtime can help prepare your body for deep, uninterrupted sleep. Number 3. Lemon balm tea. Lemon balm tea has been used since ancient times to combat stress, anxiety, and promote restful sleep. This herb, part of the mint family, contains rosmarinic acid, which increases the availability of gamma-aminobutyric acid, GABA, in the brain. GABA is a neurotransmitter that calms brain activity, helping you transition into sleep more easily. A 2021 study from the National Center for Complementary and Integrative Health found that lemon balm tea reduced symptoms of insomnia by nearly 42% in individuals with chronic sleep difficulties. Lemon balm tea also contains terpenes, which have mild sedative effects that help the brain and body relax naturally. Drinking this tea not only helps with sleep, but also supports cognitive function and mood regulation, reducing the mental clutter that often keeps people awake. For optimal effects, steep the tea for at least 10 to 15 minutes and enjoy it about an hour before bedtime. Its refreshing lemony aroma alone can create a calming atmosphere, signaling to your brain that it's time to slow down. Number 4. Holy basil tea. Holy basil, also known as tulsi, is considered an adaptogen, a natural substance that helps your body adapt to stress. Chronic stress can wreak havoc on your sleep cycle by elevating cortisol levels, which makes it harder to fall and stay asleep. Holy basil tea works by lowering cortisol and balancing brain chemistry. A clinical study from the Journal of Ayurveda and Integrative Medicine reported that participants who drank holy basil tea for 6 weeks experienced a 39% reduction in stress symptoms and significantly better sleep. Holy basil contains essential oils like eugenol and ursolic acid, which provide a calming effect on the nervous system. Additionally, it supports immune function and reduces inflammation, both of which are essential for restorative sleep. Drinking holy basil tea 30 minutes before bed can help calm a racing mind, reduce nighttime anxiety, and prepare your body for deep, restorative sleep. Its mildly peppery, earthy flavor can become a comforting part of your nightly wind-down routine. Number 5. Chamomile tea. Chamomile tea is perhaps the most well-known natural sleep remedy, and for good reason. It contains apigenin, an antioxidant that binds to GABA receptors in the brain, reducing anxiety and inducing a sense of calm. This effect is similar to some anti-anxiety medications, but without the side effects. A meta-analysis published in the Journal of Advanced Nursing concluded that chamomile tea significantly improves sleep quality, particularly in older adults and those with chronic insomnia. Beyond its calming effects, chamomile tea can also reduce inflammation, alleviate mild pain, and support immune function, key factors for overall health. The flavonoids in chamomile help protect the brain from oxidative stress, promoting long-term cognitive health. To maximize its benefits, drink a warm cup about 45 minutes before going to bed. Adding a touch of honey can enhance the tea's soothing properties and create a comforting bedtime ritual that signals to your brain it's time to sleep. Getting good sleep isn't a luxury, it's essential for your health and well-being. Poor sleep can affect everything from your mood and concentration to your immune system and heart health. If insomnia has been your nightly enemy, try incorporating one of these drinks into your evening routine. Remember, consistency is key, and natural remedies work best when paired with healthy sleep habits. If you found this information helpful, please subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more evidence-based tips for better living. Sleep well and stay healthy.